What truly defines a legendary warrior? Is it the raw strength displayed in battle, or is it something deeper, like unshakable courage and a commitment to higher principles? Today, we embark on a journey to explore the remarkable life of Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anh, whose legacy as a warrior is etched deeply into history. Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anhu, was not just a fierce combatant on the battlefield, but also a figure whose life exemplified the essence of true heroism. His story is a tapestry woven with threads of valor, faith, and unwavering justice. Born into the illustrious Quraysh tribe in Mecca, Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anh, was raised in an environment that nurtured both spiritual and physical prowess. His early years were marked by close association with the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, whose teachings and guidance shaped his character and principles. As we uncover the extraordinary feats and the profound impact of Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anh, we will see how his actions and values continue to inspire and guide people to this day. Stay with us to discover how Hazrat Ali's, radiallahu anh, legacy as a warrior goes beyond mere combat, embodying the true spirit of courage and righteousness. And remember, to keep up with more such compelling stories, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Early life and background. Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anh, was born into the noble family of the Quraysh tribe in Mecca, a lineage renowned for its integrity and leadership. His early years were profoundly influenced by his close relationship with the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who was not only his cousin but also his mentor. From a young age, Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anhu, demonstrated exceptional qualities of leadership, courage, and devotion. His embrace of Islam was a significant moment in his life, as he became one of the religion's earliest and most devoted followers. Raised in the Prophet's household, Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anh, was exposed to the core teachings of Islam, which shaped his character and values. His early life was marked by a strong sense of justice and a commitment to faith, which would later define his actions on the battlefield. These formative years set the stage for his future role as a warrior and leader, illustrating how deeply his faith and upbringing influenced his extraordinary life. The Battle of Badr. The Battle of Badr, fought in 624 CE, was a defining moment in early Islamic history and a showcase of Hazrat Ali's, radiallahu anh, valor. Despite being significantly outnumbered, the Muslim forces, led by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, achieved a stunning victory. Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anh, played a pivotal role in this battle, demonstrating exceptional bravery and combat skills. He was not only a fierce fighter but also a symbol of hope and resilience for the Muslim army. His courage was particularly evident in the intense hand-to-hand combat, where he faced some of the fiercest opponents of the Quraysh tribe. Hazrat Ali's, radiallahu anh, contribution to the victory at Badr was instrumental, and his performance earned him a reputation as a formidable warrior. This battle was not just a military victory but also a significant boost for the morale of the early Muslims, reinforcing their belief in their cause and the support of Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anh, in their struggle for justice. The Battle of Uhud. The Battle of Uhud, which took place in 625 CE, was a significant conflict where Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anh, demonstrated his unwavering dedication and bravery. Unlike Badr, the Muslims faced a more challenging scenario in Uhud, with the enemy forces being more organized and better equipped. Despite the initial success and a strong start for the Muslims, the battle took a turn due to a critical strategic error. Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anhu, emerged as a key figure during this tumultuous period, defending the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and rallying the Muslim troops. His steadfastness and leadership in the face of adversity were crucial in maintaining the defense against the attacking forces. Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anh, fought valiantly, protecting the Prophet and showing remarkable endurance. The Battle of Uhud, although not a decisive victory, highlighted Hazrat Ali's, radiallahu anhu, commitment and resilience, reinforcing his reputation as a heroic and dependable warrior in the eyes of his followers. The Battle of Khaybar. The Battle of Khaybar, which occurred in 628 CE, stands out as one of the most notable events in Hazrat Ali's, radiallahu anh, military career. The fortress of Khaybar was heavily fortified and considered nearly impregnable, making it a formidable challenge for the Muslim forces. Previous attempts to conquer Khaybar had been unsuccessful, but Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anh, was entrusted with the task of leading the assault. His approach was both strategic and determined, embodying his deep faith and tactical acumen. The battle was fierce, with Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu displaying exceptional combat skills and leadership. His success in breaching the fortress and securing victory was not only a testament to his martial prowess, but also to his ability to inspire and lead his troops effectively. The conquest of Khaybar was a significant achievement, enhancing Hazrat Ali's radiallahu anhu status as a legendary warrior and further solidifying his role as a key figure in the early Islamic expansion. Duel with Amr ibn Abd Wud. The duel with Amr ibn Abd Wud during the Battle of the Trench is a remarkable episode in Hazrat Ali's radiallahu anhu career. Amr was a formidable warrior known for his strength and prowess in combat. During the battle, he challenged the Muslim forces to single combat, creating a sense of fear and apprehension. Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anh, embodying his unparalleled bravery, accepted the challenge. The duel was intense and fiercely contested, with Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anh, demonstrating his exceptional skill and determination. His victory over Amr not only showcased his martial capabilities, but also had a profound impact on the morale of the Muslim army. The defeat of such a renowned opponent was a significant boost to the Muslim forces, reaffirming Hazrat Ali's radiallahu anh, status as a legendary warrior. This event highlighted his courage and commitment to defending his faith, further cementing his legacy in Islamic history. The Battle of Siffin. The Battle of Siffin, fought in 657 CE, was a pivotal conflict during the caliphate of Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anhu. This battle was not just a military engagement, but also a significant moment in Islamic history, marked by complex political and ideological struggles. Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anhu, led his troops with a combination of strategic insight and personal bravery. The battle was characterized by intense and prolonged fighting, with both sides exhibiting remarkable determination. Despite the strategic and political complexities, Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anhu, remained a symbol of justice and righteousness. His leadership during this challenging time was marked by efforts to uphold the principles of Islam and to maintain unity among the Muslim community. The Battle of Siffin, though inconclusive, underscored Hazrat Ali's, radiallahu anhu, dedication to his cause and his ability to lead with integrity and courage. Commitment to justice. Beyond his battlefield achievements, Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anhu, was renowned for his commitment to justice and fair governance. As a caliph, he implemented policies that emphasized equity, compassion, and moral integrity. His leadership was characterized by a deep commitment to ensuring that justice was upheld in all aspects of governance. Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anhu, worked tirelessly to address the needs of his people, advocating for the rights of the underprivileged and ensuring that his administration reflected the ethical teachings of Islam. His dedication to justice extended beyond political and legal reforms. It was a fundamental aspect of his character and leadership. Hazrat Ali's, radiallahu anhu, emphasis on fairness and compassion earned him widespread respect and admiration, and his legacy as a just ruler continues to be celebrated. His approach to leadership provides a powerful example of how faith and justice can be harmoniously integrated in governance. Intellectual and spiritual legacy. In addition to his military and political achievements, Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anhu, is also celebrated for his intellectual and spiritual contributions. His teachings and sermons are revered for their depth and insight, providing valuable guidance on a range of topics from ethics to spirituality. Hazrat Ali, radiallahu anhu, was known for his profound wisdom and eloquence, which are evident in his numerous sayings and writings. His thoughts on justice, morality, and leadership continue to inspire and influence people across generations. Hazrat Ali's, radiallahu anhu, spiritual insights, coupled with his practical wisdom, have left a lasting impact on Islamic thought and philosophy. His legacy as a scholar and a thinker complements his role as a warrior, highlighting his multifaceted contributions to both religious and intellectual life. Impact on future generations. The impact of Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu extends far beyond his lifetime, influencing countless individuals and communities throughout history. His legacy as a warrior, leader, and scholar continues to resonate with people around the world. His life serves as a source of inspiration for those seeking to embody courage, justice, and wisdom. Hazrat Ali's radiallahu anhu example has shaped the values and ideals of successive generations, providing a model of integrity and strength. His contributions to Islamic thought and leadership have had a profound and lasting effect on the Muslim world. The stories of his valor and wisdom are recounted and celebrated, ensuring that his legacy endures and continues to inspire. Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu remains a revered figure whose life and teachings offer valuable lessons for both personal and communal growth. Personal qualities and inner strength. Beyond his external achievements, Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu possessed qualities that defined his character and leadership. His humility, wisdom, and unwavering faith were key to his personal strength. Known for his deep spiritual insight, Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu approached challenges with a calm resolve and an unwavering commitment to justice. His ability to balance personal bravery with profound moral and spiritual wisdom set him apart as a true leader and warrior. These inner qualities, coupled with his exceptional combat skills, made him a paragon of virtue and strength in both his personal and public life. As we conclude our exploration of Hazrat Ali's radiallahu anhu extraordinary life, it becomes clear that his legacy as a warrior is far more than a series of battlefield victories. Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu exemplified the true essence of heroism through his unwavering commitment to justice, deep faith, and profound wisdom. His life story is a powerful testament to how valor and righteousness can coexist, shaping a legacy that resonates through the ages. The tales of his bravery in battles like Badr, Uhud, Khaybar, and his duel with Amr ibn Abd Wud showcase not just his martial prowess, but also his unyielding resolve to uphold the principles of Islam. His leadership during the Battle of Siffin and his commitment to justice as a caliph reflect his deep understanding of governance and morality. Hazrat Ali's radiallahu anhu insights and teachings continue to provide guidance and inspiration, offering valuable lessons on courage, integrity, and leadership. The impact of Hazrat Ali's radiallahu anhu life extends beyond his era, influencing countless individuals and communities across the world. His example serves as a beacon for those striving to embody the qualities of a true hero: strength, honor, and dedication to a higher cause. The stories of his valor and wisdom are not just historical accounts, but living lessons that continue to inspire and uplift. If you found this exploration of Hazrat Ali's radiallahu anhu legacy as a warrior both enlightening and inspiring, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories of historical figures who have shaped our world. Your support is invaluable in helping us bring these compelling narratives to light. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to sharing more incredible stories with you soon.